been out of town for a few weeks and I've been struggling trying to stay on track. If you'd like to see how I'm dealing with maintaining my weight loss journey, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a video. In Florida. I'm working on a job at the Seminole Hard Rock. I deal poker, and I'm on a 3-week tournament dealing job. And what I have trouble with here is the employee dining room. They offer a lot of food choices and snacks and desserts, and when I go in there, I'm really struggling staying on track. So today I'm trying to show some things that I do to try to stay on track, even though it's hard to drink the water. I have to deal, windy out here. I have to deal poker, so I'm just kind of sitting at a table all day, so I don't like to drink the water because then I can't go to the bathroom whenever I want. And so I am having struggles with that. 10,000 steps a day is hard to get in because I work late, and then it's so hot here. It's like 100, it's like 90 degrees, but it feels like 100 with the humidity, so it's hard to get walking, and the walking is not available like it is at my house. So I've been trying to go in the pool or walking around whatever I can. Sometimes I do my fitness activities online, but it's really difficult to get my steps in. And once again, when you're out of my routine, I'm really finding it hard to stay on track. So I did buy some groceries, the first week I was here, I was kind of eating whatever I wanted and I wasn't tracking, but now I kind of buckled down, and I'm going to share with you how I'm trying to stay on track and the struggles I'm going through when I'm out of town and out of routine. So hopefully I will just try to maintain my weight loss. I haven't weighed in. I don't have my scale here, and so it's a little difficult, but I'll see what I can do, and I'm taking you along and showing you some things I do while I'm in Florida. I work at night, and in the daytime, I usually go in around 4 or 5 o'clock, and in the daytime I try to prepare food so I have it available that's low in point, and that way that I can try to stay as much as I can on the program. But like I said, the first 10 days it's been really a struggle. But hopefully you can enjoy this video and see what I do while I'm working. About to board a plane going to Fort Lauderdale for 3 weeks. Talk to you later. I'm getting some steps in the airport since I have a 2-hour layover till I catch my flight to Fort Lauderdale. So I'm taking a walk, getting my steps in. I got a seat in a rocking chair, watching the sunset and watching planes take off. Here I am flying into Fort Lauderdale, and that's where I'm going to be working, the Seminole Hard Rock of the Guitar Hotel. It's a beautiful place. On a day off, this is how I like to spend my day, at the beach. I like to be able to walk on the beach and get steps. Get the fitness in. Water is so nice and warm, except it looks like it's going to storm very soon. That's the trouble with Florida in the summertime. So here's some food I bought to make sure I can stay on track while I'm here. I bought some cherries to have as a snack. I bought some Extreme Wellness high fiber spinach and herb wraps. They are only 1 point each, and I'm going to use those to make some pizza. I bought some turkey pepperoni. I went for my pizzas, and I can also have those as a protein snack. I have some pizza sauce to complete the pizza, along with some reduced fat mozzarella cheese, which has 1/3 less fat than regular mozzarella. I bought some chai tea. I saw a recipe on the Weight Watchers site. I'm going to make a drink with chai tea and some vanilla almond milk, and I will make that and let you know how good it is. I bought a can of tuna packed in water to make my tuna casserole, which I'm going to have as a meal prep, along with this 98% fat-free cream of mushroom soup. And I'm also going to make another pasta dish for food prep, which I have light penne fiber gourmet. I'm going to make a penne pasta, and with that I'm going to add this bag of fresh vegetables, which has carrots and broccoli. It is a stir-fry blend, but I'm going to make it with penne. And I also bought some eggs to make, and I will have them prepared. One peach, because it looked very good, and I'm only going to have one because that way it won't get overripe. And I bought some of these Outshine no sugar added popsicles made with real fruit juice, strawberry, tangerine, and raspberry. And they are 1 point per popsicle. One bar, as you see, is 25 calories. I also bought a little bag of these popcorners, sweet and salty kettle corn chips, which are 4 points per serving for about 17 chips. Cracked black pepper turkey breast to make a wrap along with my tortillas. So I thought I'd just share that with you so I would have something here while I'm working, and then I can eat it either before work so I'm not tempted with all the goodies that they have at the employee dining room. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. So I'm going to make a tuna casserole to have it around like a meal prep. And for that, I'm using some light rotini by Fiber Gourmet. It's 50% less calories than regular pasta, and you really can't tell the difference. So I'm going to boil the noodles first, and then I'm going to add the tuna and the cream of mushroom soup. And that'll boil for about 6 to 10 minutes. So for this recipe, I cooked and boiled 8 ounces of the Fiber Gourmet pasta. I sprayed the pan, and I'm putting the pasta in the pan. Then I'm going to add a can of the 98% fat-free cream of mushroom soup. And then I add a can of the tuna, which is packed in water. Looks and smells like cat food. But tuna casserole is a comfy meal, and it satisfies my craving for pasta, and I don't know, I always liked it. A lot of people don't. Then I'm going to mix these ingredients together, and then once the casserole is mixed up, I'm going to sprinkle a 1/4 cup of regular breadcrumbs on top because it gives that little toasty finish. Actually, I'm only going to use an 1/8 of a cup. And then I will put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to have that for lunch. So that's the casserole. Once it gets out of the oven, it makes 4 servings at 4 points for each serving. So that's 4 points worth of tuna casserole. That is a small plate, but the serving size is about a cup. Being out of routine has always a struggle for me. When I'm at home and I can cook and have my water and do my steps and get my fitness in, I can do better. When I go out of town, I don't know, sometimes I just have a mindset that is not working. I want to say that. I just feel like I have the freedom and I could eat what I want, but I know I'm going to pay for that on the scale when I get back. But I'm just let you know that I am struggling. Sometimes I feel like there's a devil on my shoulder saying, go ahead, eat whatever you want. And then there's an angel on the other side saying, stay on track so you don't gain weight. Even though I'm down 126 pounds, I am not perfect all the time. And just have to deal with what comes by and then just get back on track. Plus, it's my birthday's coming up next week. August 11th is my birthday, and I'm going to have cake that day. I won't lie, and then I'm going to get back on track and get back focused so I can get some of this weight off. So that's going to be a wrap on this video. If you liked it, be sure to give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.